you need a dollar amount to spend some money on this, right? I cannot directly put money here. So what I do is I have a PayPal account, I cannot do it because we all are sitting in one country. If the person is in Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka, I can buy a dollar amount from them because within the country I cannot transact through a PayPal. But in Pizza I can do it. If any one of you have a Pizza account, you open a Pizza account and you say, dude, give me $50 or $30, I can transfer instant. It just takes 1 minute to transfer the money. But in PayPal, it doesn't happen. It is outside the countries only. Remember this. And if I have a Pizza account and I put this $1,000 to this company, and tomorrow I got to know it is a fraud, Pizza will pay you 50%. And 50% he will give it. Now you decide which account you want to open it.
PayPal.
But with the PayPal, if I have to invest money in the dollar, I need to have some reference in other country.
PayPal is just a bank.
No. The second part which you're talking about, I need to have some connection in the outside the country of India, where I can take the money from those people. Then I have to invest in it. Like
I'll teach you. You opened a PayPal account.
yeah. So easy.
You opened a PayPal account. 1, 2, 3 documents you gave it. Okay. Once your documents are verified as per the Indian law or US law, okay, PayPal has an office in India also, okay. So you give them 3 documents, all the procedures has to be correct. Then once your verification is done, you can link that to your Indian account, whichever account you want. Okay. Now you want to join this company. You want to invest here. You get to earn more money. So what happens is, you put this money, here will be, you buy it, right? There will be a section called buy. Okay. What happens is, you have to put this money to your PayPal account. Once it is verified, correct? Once it is verified only, then you can put this money here. From here it goes to here, it just takes fraction of seconds.
Yeah.
That's all. So there is a section called buy. You buy 10, you buy 100 shares. They will ask you, is it through a PayPal, is it through a Pizza, is it through a Solitaire, is it through a Perfect Money? So you select PayPal. What happens? You will be routed to here. From here your money goes like that. It's get converted. 3% charges will be there.
So what is this document that you're talking about? Is the normal
It's a Indian
KYC?
It's
KYC,
It's Indian documents, your ID proof, your PAN card.
normal
Indian
KYC
PAN
norms.
proof.
And this is into share trading is what you're
It's
saying?
not shares. Shares is different.
Okay, then what are you buying usually from this?
You are buying advertisements here.
Instead of shares, it's advertisements. that's what you're buying.
Advertisements you are buying.
Can you just show